Tell these folk what we on.
Bombs and watching New Edition. That's what we're doing tonight. About to eat goods.
Hey, man. Y'all don't know nothing about them taco bombs, bro. Y'all don't know nothing about them, man. But we finna put y'all on. We finna put y'all on right now. So y'all just, hey. I'm saying, you gotta pull up a chair, you know what I'm saying? Don't just try to skip through the video. Matter of fact, first thing you need to be doing is liking this motherfucker. First thing you should have did when you clicked on the video was hit the thumbs up. If you ain't hit the thumbs up by now, you a hater. Know what I'm saying? Baby, tell them.
Press that thumbs up right now. Or you gonna miss our lit videos.
If you don't.
And if you don't, you're not a part of the team. Period. Seasoning and seasoning and seasoning. Make sure you seasoning, seasoning, and seasoning. Don't forget that. Lethal injection. Is recorded? Yes. Hey guys. Hey friends. It's Big Too Classy here. And y'all already know what's going on. As y'all can see, I'm cooking. You know what I mean?
Now she got me doing things I never do. If you ain't been, I'm telling you. Ooh. Boy, that shit was too dirty.
Not dirty.
Allow me to reintroduce myself. My name is King M.A.J. Or you can call me CEO of the LITO. Don't hide that pussy.
Oh.
Divide that pussy. Don't hide that pussy.
Jesus Christ.
Them shit's finna be good as fuck. Know what I'm saying?
Make sure you cook it.
You get you some ground beef, some ground turkey, whatever your preference. Know what I mean? Cook that bitch till it's brown like this right here. Yeah. So you cook that bitch till it look like that right there. Get you some motherfucking yeah. Know what I'm saying? We got ground turkey, so since we got ground turkey, we gotta use the Saison. Gotta use the Saison, know what I'm saying? It's mandatory. Mandatory. Alright? Gotta have garlic powder, like, come on. Gotta have garlic powder. That go with everything. Know what I'm saying? We got a little bit of onion powder. Some black pepper. Some hot sauce, you feel me? Like, come on. What color my skin? Look at my skin. Of course we got hot sauce.
Stop it. Get some help.
Salt. Gotta have it. Know what I'm saying? Just don't put too much. Might fuck around and have high blood pressure.
Okay.
Fuck. It's something we supposed to have out. Oh.
The cheese. Take cheese out too.
Fucking them jalapenos.
The jalapenos already out. Take the
Oh.
cheese out. That's what we're missing. Cheese.
Gotta have your jalapenos. Got to. Cheese. Gotta have it. You know what I'm saying? Who eat tacos without cheese? You feel me? Where they do that at? You feel me? So, gotta have your cheese. Know what I'm saying? Look, though. Now, this the catch, though. These tortillas right here, these tortillas. Come on, man. We don't even need these. We don't even need these. See, because y'all ain't never even heard of no taco bombs before. Y'all ain't even never heard of no taco bombs. No bomb tacos, nigga. I ain't even never heard of no bomb tacos, man. Show me, point me to where you heard of some bomb tacos. And I'll tell you, you lied. 100. We don't even need these tortillas. Don't even need them. You ain't even used the Saison.
I'm about to, nigga. Open it up for me.
Oh, these some little small packets. I don't know how much we need. Man.
Just one, because we already used two. I already used both of these, so probably just one.
It don't add no seasoning to it. It just make it taste like.
Yeah. So
Use both of them.
one.
Use both of them. It make it taste like beef instead of turkey. Or taste it. Taste it after you do that.
It smells really good. Yeah.
By the Saison.
Yeah, it smells about right.
Get in there, get in there. Get in there, get in there. Look at my damn. Oh yeah, they bitch definitely need to be up high because some of this meat is still pink.
Pink?
Yeah. I was just finna taste that bit and then I see some pink. I see some salmonella floating in the meat.
Jesus Christ.
Man, that shit finna be on point. On point. But I need me a better tripod. I need me a better tripod for sure. You listen to me when I tell you to do something.
Throw away your trash as you're doing that too. Thank you, sir.
Bro, you got me doing 100 million things.
Baby, you throw it away.
How the fuck am I going to throw my trash away? Clean that, clean this, do this,
As soon as
do
you
that,
done with something,
all
throw it
at the
away.
same time.
Instead of just putting it to the side. That's what I do. I throw it away as soon as I'm done with it.
Yeah, because you don't got no money in your ear talking about, do this, do that,
If I know what
do
I
that,
have to do it.
do this. What they talking about?
Smells really good.
We got olive oil. We got any type of.
What do you need to add? Nothing really. I mean, you're gonna have the jalapeno, so that's gonna also bring you some a little seasoning.
You put this in it?
Yeah, but not mine. That's enough. That's enough. That's enough. That's enough. That is enough, baby. I put hot sauce in there
Put
too.
this.
That's why I got that aftertaste. I put some of that in there.
Alright, y'all. So we done with the meat. You know what I'm saying? There it go. You know what I'm saying? Ground turkey for the taco bombs. Yeah, she finna show y'all how to do the damn thing. What's that? What you doing? What you doing? What you doing?
Jalapenos. Make sure you put in 3 jalapeno in each taco bomb. And then you wanna add make sure you keep your meat mixed up. Now you don't even put no dry meat in your food. You know what I'm saying? And make sure you keep it moist. See that? Because it keep getting dry. So you wanna add some. Add enough now. You know, you wanna get full. Don't be being stingy.
Don't be stingy with yourself, man.
You wanna add enough, but not too much. And get you a little bit of cheese.
Mm-hmm.
Sprinkle it on top, just enough, but not a lot. Just enough, and then you want to just close that bad boy up. Just fold it up.
Yeah.
Just fold it up.
I just love the way you wrap that thing, bro. Make that jump look sexy.
Boy, if you don't... No, wait. Oh, hold on. I don't think I should pick it up.
You might have put too much in there. Let me do it.
No. You're just going to do the same thing with you. You're always going to do something different.
Well, you got to flip that bad boy over.
Yeah, that one ain't going to be.
You got to flip him. You ain't going to flip him?
No. Because it's going to fall. It's going to fall out.
Damn. That's how Vaughn be. That's how Vaughn be. Damn.
Boy. Why this don't want to work out? I'm about to make you do it.
What's good with y'all boys, man? So look, man, we got a problem. It's always a problem. Nah, let me stop. It ain't always no problem. Baby, tell them what's wrong.
Basically, y'all, it's not turning out how I used to make it. I ain't made it a little bit. So, I guess I'm lacking on my skills. So, they still gonna be good.
They still gonna be good.
They still gonna smack.
For sure.
I ain't even worried about it.
For sure. But so the problem is, we normally get biscuits, but for some reason, we got croissants. I don't know why or how we made that mistake. You know what I'm saying? Because we made these now. We made these. Ain't nobody out here making these but me and Whitney. What? We doing something a little new. You know what I'm saying? We hope them junks close up like croissant. But this how they supposed to look. They supposed to be wrapped up in that mug.
Like this one. This is how it's supposed to really look, but
Yeah.
we got something else going on today.
It's gonna come out good still, regardless.
And then I need you to clean that pan up. And set your timer for 10 minutes. That one just like busts down like I'm open.
Stop it. Get some help.
Like, wait. It looks like art, low key. Because it's different ones.
Damn, them shits look golden for real. You should have just seen that.
You ain't smooth that one out. Don't be leaving it out. You ain't
Ain't
smooth
that
that one out.
Yes, I did.
Not that one. That's a big piece.
Well, hit it. Hit it.
The caption would be messy taco bombs.
Hit that thing.
Messy taco bombs. You ain't never had no messy taco bomb. I know you ain't had it. I know you ain't. You ain't had it. This is new, baby.
Brad,
This is
tell him.
new. This is new. About to be grits. You put the butter on it. Put the butter on it too. Oh yeah. Yeah. I probably might have to scrape it up.
Boy, them shits finna be good, man.
Which one you want?
I want that big motherfucker.
That which one?
I want that big motherfucker.
The big motherfucker. And then you put your fingerprint on it. Why would you do that?
Cause that one is mine.
I know.
It's mine.
Y'all see? Do y'all see that? Now, what if I want that one? What? Like, wow.
What you?
This
what
is
you?
how the taco bombs turned out. Of course, it's banging and it's good. Look good. You know what I'm saying? You gotta get the inside. It look a little dry, but it ain't dry. It's very moist and it's good. Look.
Shit good. Honestly, this the ugliest batch we ever
You
made.
got something in your mouth.
This the ugliest batch we done ever made. But in my opinion, it's the best batch we ever made. What you say, baby? You agree with that?
Yes. Spices is on point and everything.
The best we ever made it.
Best we ever made. It's called, we changed the name up. It's called Messy Taco Bombs. That's what this is. Messy Taco Bombs.
No, when that shit messy, that shit go crazy. You know what I'm saying?
You ain't gotta make every meal perfect.
It ain't gotta be beautiful every
As long as you
time.
got the seasonings in there now, you can't forget about that. But it can be a little sloppy, a little messy, you know what I mean?
Yeah. But alright, man, we appreciate y'all for rocking with us, man. You know what I'm saying? Go try y'all some taco bombs. Go make y'all some. We gonna catch y'all on the next one, man. Peace.